Everything that exists in this world was once someone's dream. People dreamed of flying like birds, of discovering what lies beyond our planet, and of finding ways to defeat disease. Today, humanity is accomplishing what once seemed impossible. We build extraordinary machines, send people into orbit, and treat illnesses that were once considered incurable. These breakthroughs are made by people who never stop dreaming, people who believe in the impossible. That same belief inspired us when we decided to send the dreams of our young patients into space, taking the first step toward making them come true. This is how the Art Rocket project was born, a joint initiative of the Unity Charity Foundation, the Roscosmos Russian Space Agency, and the Progress Rocket and Space Center. On November 27, 2025, a Soyuz rocket lifted off from the Baikonur Cosmodrome. Rocket launches are routine for the space industry, but this one was truly unprecedented. For the first time in the history of human spaceflight, the rocket carried on its exterior the dreams of more than 4,000 children with cancer from 14 countries. More than 25 cosmonauts became part of this project. Over 3 years, they visited children in hospitals together with the Unity Foundation, talking about space, dreaming together, and helping them believe in themselves. Thousands of specialists from Roscosmos across the country contributed to creating the Art Rocket. Using advanced digital technologies, a collage of children's drawings were carefully designed and adapted to meet the strict safety standards of the space industry. A 43 square meter composition was placed on the rocket's exterior, the most visible part of the launch vehicle, seen by the entire world on launch day. The launch was witnessed by 130 participants of the project. Children from 15 regions of Russia, their parents, doctors, the foundation's team, and international partners from Bolivia, Brazil, and the United States. In 2025, the project received 1,238 mentions in Russian and international media. During the launch period alone, there were 781 publications and 19 national television reports, reaching an audience of more than 42 million people. The Art Rocket proved that a humanitarian initiative can become part of one of the most technologically advanced industries in the world. Government, business, media, and the non-profit sector came together around a simple but powerful belief. A child's dream deserves to be heard as loudly as the roar of a rocket launch. But the most important result is children no longer saw themselves as patients, they saw themselves as heroes, people capable of inspiring the world. Parents saw their children rediscover energy and a desire to live, and society began to see the different image of a child with cancer, strong, active, and full of dreams. The Art Rocket helped people believe that the impossible is possible, and that sometimes we really can send our messages to the universe.
Пока не поздно, мечты свои мы отправляем.